God damn it. Here we go.
Let's whoop his ass. Let's whoop his ass.
Fuck no! I don't this shit! Can you hear me?
Let's go!
Yeah! 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 Bicycle, bitch!
Eat a dick. Eat a dick. You're not ready. You ain't ready for what's about to happen. Y'all ready? We ready?
Touchdown!
Spy plane ready for deployment. Some turrets ready
So
for
the weather. Pretty nice.
Yeah.
You got cut off for like 5 minutes. And like, it was just like, touchdown!
Spy plane ready for deployment.
And I was like, so the weather? And then like 5 seconds later,
Hey, I'm gonna almost pee my pants. Hang on. I gotta pee. I gotta pee.
oh, you're peeing? Is this a piss break? Okay, yeah, I gotta pee too. Alright.
Kill confirmed.
Spy plane standing by. Friendly spy plane inbound.
Yeah, I'm back, bitches!
Wow! That was a great piss! Every time I pee, right as it starts to come out, I scream Kamehameha, and at the final drop, I scream full power.
Friendly
I'm gonna about to
Get
fuck
back
you
up!
up,
Get
motherfucker!
back
Yeah!
up! Get back up! I'm the
Alright, look.
Some turrets ready for
Arms
deployment.
are sweaty. These weak arms are...
Wanted. Care package ready for delivery. Mark the DZ. Friendly care package inbound.
Alright, here we go. Sean Lee.
Friendly South
Sean
Turret
Lee.
plane ready for deployment.
You got cut off again.
Some turrets ready for delivery.
Ah, fucking retard. You got cut off again.
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
Feel like was it dead quiet?
Friendly care package on the way. Some turrets ready for delivery. Mark the DZ.
Here it goes, son! I'm going for it all! 30-17! 52 seconds in the first quarter! Eliminating!
No! Fuck! Fuck no! I got a fucking flag
Bye.
Fuck no!
No! How could you be waiting? What third and 12! Third and 12! I'm here! How could you do this to me?
Spy plane ready for deployment.
Don't for it off. Don't for it off.
Our spy planes in the air.
I bet you're going for it, little bitch.
Yeah, I'm going for it. Ass wipe.
Some turrets ready for delivery. Mark the DZ.
Eat you alive. Eat you alive. Boom! Yo, this play!
Friendly gas.
So I gotta say. So I got. Oh my god! Football! Oh my god! No! No! No!
Let's go, Des Bryant! Go to Des Bryant, Romo! Go to Des Bryant! Oh! Yeah!
I'm going to change it. For no one going to change it.
Touchdown here.
Return!
Ready for delivery.
Nope, didn't get it. No! No! What's a pat?
PAT.
Ready for
Point after.
Point after touchdown. Even Jake.
for delivery. Mark the D.
I thought it was like point after tit or something. I don't know.
Biplane ready for deployment.
Point after.
Well, you're lucky I didn't say testicles. Oh my god, are you? Oh my god. Eat a dick, asswipe.
The Brad's onside! God damn it. God damn it. Fuck you, Brady James!
Sweet Vishnu, we thank you for everything you do. We thank you for all the sperm. What the bitches? No! You're gay! You're gay! Sweet Brahma, thank you for everything you do. We appreciate all, everything you do for us.
Everything you do for us.
We are winning the fight. Do not stop.
Didn't see that coming, did you, scrub?
Ready for deployment.
Yeah, I did! Yeah! Yeah, that's right. Yeah, rolling that shit.
Your package ready for delivery. Mark the DZ.
Boom!
Yeah, intercepted!
Care package ready. Show us where you want it.
Fuck you, Nick. Go eat a dick.
Fuck, I fell off my chair again. Well, my chair fell down again. And now I'm playing.
Or maybe the chair pushed you off of itself because you're a...
Hang on. My chair fell down, and now I'm lying down in my chair, and my dog is blocking the TV.
Standing by.
God, that dipshit dog.
Yeah, he's looking at me like I just fucked society. Arnie, I did not fuck society.
Ready for delivery.
Move out of the fucking way, Marty.
Care
What's your
package.
dog's name, Marty?
Mark the DZ.
Arnie.
Bart.
Friendly care package.
You named your dog after a serial pedophile?
Coming our radar.
No, when we got him, that's what his name was.
So, the people who you bought your dog from were serial pedophiles.
He was on death row in the puppy pound. He was on death row in the puppy pound. Give him a
Oh! Death row. That's what fucking puppy niggas are going down these days. Damn mama, I'm caught up in this sickness. They trying to feed me bones, but I've been the witness. They treat my nigga dogs like they ain't shit. But they know if we bite, they get the rabid shit.
Wide open! 100
No!
for the
No!
touchdown!
No!
Suck my dick. Suck it hard.
I like how the
Suck
ref
my
almost
dick.
tackled you. I'm keeping everyone away from me, damn it.
I am a fat wiggle puppy. You're my wiggle fat puppy. You're my wiggle fat puppy. You're my wiggle fat puppy.
That's what your mom said to me last night.
No, 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 no.
Aw, yeah. Aw, yeah.
You're my wiggle fat
Wow.
puppy.
Oh, someone can score the point after tit. Big deal.
The point after two.
Jacob's probably like, what the fuck am I witnessing?
Yeah!
Slap it!
No! 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 Fuck society! Fuck society!